पैदल जा रहे हैं, कोई फॉरेनर्स हैं, पता नहीं उनका शायद इस तरह से ये पैदल ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. Then when you came from your country?
Yeah.
When you came from your country?
I came about a month ago. Been here about a month.
Okay. So what you are doing in your life?
Just generally.
Journalist.
For work.
Yeah.
I'm working at the airport. I train. We really used to train air traffic controllers.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Really amazing work. And when you will go back to your country again?
I'm leaving mid-July, like July 15th. Yeah.
So what's your feel about this place, about this country?
I love it. Yeah, I love Nepal. I've had a great time here.
Have you seen ever India?
No, I have not been to India yet.
Have you heard anything about that?
In what way? Like,
So I just invite you to come our India also.
yeah.
I'm from India.
Where are you from? Oh, right now.
Okay, और बताओ. हवा बहुत तेजी से तेज हवा के कारण हमें